Are you facing issues with batch files not working on your Windows 11 PC? It can be frustrating when you try to run a batch file and it either doesn't execute properly or gets deleted instantly. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to fix batch file problems on your Windows 11 PC. Why do batch files get deleted instantly on Windows? Well, batch files are similar to other file types like JPG, PNG, or PDF. They contain a series of commands that are executed when you run them. There are few reasons why batch files might not work as expected. It could be due to syntax errors in the commands you have written, triggering the batch file to fail. Your antivirus software might also mistakenly identify the batch file as a threat and delete it. Lastly, the permission issues can sometimes prevent batch files from running correctly. Let's address these problems on your Windows 11 PC. Fixing syntax error in your bat file. Syntax error occur when there are incorrect commands, expressions, or symbols in your batch file code. If you're not familiar with programming, you can seek assistance from someone who understands batch file syntax. To review and edit the code in your batch file, right-click on it and select Edit. Another option is to sign up for ChatGPT and ask for help by typing, "Can you correct the syntax error in my .bat file code?" following by pasting your batch file code. ChatGPT will provide you with corrected code that you can simply copy and paste into your batch file. Save the file and run it again. Disable your antivirus temporarily. Sometimes antivirus programs mistakenly flag batch files as dangerous and delete them. If your batch files are getting immediately deleted, try temporarily disabling your antivirus program. Most antivirus can be disabled by right-clicking on their icon in the Quick Launch area. If you are using the default Windows Security Protection, click on the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Open it, click on the Virus and Threat Protection. Then, under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Disable all the shields here temporarily. Run your batch file. Once you execute your batch file script, you can turn these shields back on. Add your bat file to Antivirus Execution List. If you regularly use your batch file that are blocked by antivirus program, you can add them to the exclusion list. This ensures that your antivirus won't check those specific files. If you are using a third-party antivirus, look for the exclusion or whitelist option and include your batch file there. In Windows Security, click on the Virus and Threat Protection, then Manage Settings. Scroll down and click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Choose Add an Exclusion. If you frequently use batch files, create a folder to store them and add the entire folder to the exclusion list. Check ownership of the bat file. File permissions play a role in determining who can access and perform actions on a file, including bat files. Ownership-related issues can sometimes cause problems with batch files. To resolve this, you will need to take ownership of the batch files. Right-click on your batch file, select Properties, click on the Security tab, and then click on Advanced, and under the Owner section, click on Change. Next, click on Advanced, then Find Now. Select Administrator from the list of usernames and groups and click OK. Click OK again. Apply the changes and you should be good to go. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them below and share this useful video with your friends and family. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell button to receive alerts for videos on Windows tips and tricks.